Somebody change the resolution. Okay, can somebody tell me the meaning of industrial management? We seen in the previous lecture. You have to create the system. You have to manage the system in a productive way. And in system, what are the components? Maybe manpower is there, machine is there, right? Energy is there, money is there. So like that, various components you have to manage, obviously in a productive way, so that industry will have nice growth rate. So that may be the intention. So that we discussed, and I think we were writing the syllabus. We discussed the introduction of a whole subject, and today we have to start our unit number 1. But before that, writing the syllabus is one more task pending. I think you have completed up to unit number 1. No, just started. We wrote only the unit number name, unit 1 name, and we have to write the this content, right? So write down first unit, introduction to management and industrial functions. So it's unit number 1 name. I hope all of you have a separate notebook for IQM subject. Obviously, I'm not going to write up like a paragraphs, just pointers and headings. First point, nature and purpose of management. Nature and purpose of management. Second point, system approach to management. System approach to management. Function of managers. Social responsibility and ethics. In managing, social responsibility and ethics in managing. Introduction to industrial organizations. In this unit itself, introduction to industrial management. Next, production / operations management. Production / operations management, comma, marketing management. Marketing management. Then financial management. This is about unit number 1. Unit number 2, planning, comma, organizing and staffing. Planning, comma, organizing and staffing. In that, write down how many hours? 8 hours. Number of lectures will be conducted for this unit, 8. For first unit, 6. That also you can note. Write on first bit planning, colon, meaning, comma, types of plans, comma, steps in planning, comma, planning processes, decision making, full stop, organizing, colon, nature and purpose of organizing, nature and purpose of organizing, organizational structure, organization structure, organization structure, span and level, span and levels, full stop, departmentation, comma, authority delegation, authority delegation, comma, decentralization, staffing, definition, comma, human resource management, human resource management and selection, comma, performance appraisal, performance appraisal. Are you writing last? Training and development, training and development. Unit number 3, leading and controlling. Number of lectures 6. Leading, colon, human factors in managing, motivation, comma, carrot and stick, carrot and stick, comma, Maslow's theory, Maslow's theory, comma, hierarchy of needs, hierarchy of needs, leadership, comma, styles, communication, colon, communication, colon, process, comma, types, dash, oral, comma, written, and non-verbal. Full stop. Controlling, colon, process of controlling, comma, controlling techniques. Section 2, quality management. Quality management. Unit number 4. Introduction to quality. Introduction to quality. Number of lectures required 8. Definition of quality. Definition of quality. Elements of quality. Quality specification. Quality specification. Full stop. Factors affecting quality of design, quality of design, and quality of conformance, quality of conformance. Quality control, quality control, quality costs, full stop. Benchmarking, comma, quality management systems, environmental management system, full stop. Second last unit, unit number 5, total quality management. Total quality management. Six hours required to complete this unit. Quality gurus. Customer satisfaction. Continuous process improvement. Continuous process improvement. Employee involvement. Employee involvement. Supplier partnership. Tools of quality control. Colon. Check sheets. Graphs. Pareto analysis. Pareto analysis. Cause and effect diagram. Cause and effect diagram. Scatter diagram. Control charts. Control charts. Six Sigma, etc. Last unit, statistical process control. Statistical process control. Number of lectures required 6. First bit, introduction to SPC. Introduction to SPC. Control charts for variables and attributes, comma, interpretation and application of X where we were, interpretation and application of X, R, P and C charts, right? Completed. Process capability. Process capability. Process capability. Acceptance sampling. Acceptance sampling. We have completed. Sampling plans. Sampling plans. Types. Single and sampling plan types, single and double. Operating characteristics curve. Operating characteristic curve. Producer and consumer risk. Producer and consumer risk. In bracket, numerical treatment only on, means numerical examples on P and C charts. P and C charts and on sampling plans. ICM is term work. In that, write down maximum 6 assignments. Maximum 6 assignments. I will give that assignments. 2 case studies. 6 assignment, comma 2 case studies, comma 1 case study from good journal paper. 1 case study from good journal paper. Textbooks. So these are the textbooks you can refer from library. These are available. Most of the books are available in management department, MBA department side. If it is not available in degree side, then another side book is also available. Okay, so this is about the syllabus. Now, I think one more thing I want to show, that is question papers. So earlier question papers, how which kind of papers are there? Just see. Yes, it is there. So earlier when 30-70 pattern was not there, that time 100 mark paper was there. So like this paper, in that you can see MCQs were there. So like you experienced that time, around 20 MCQs were there already. 20 MCQs were there, like as usual you are writing. Only such kind of theoretical questions are there. So especially I'm talking about our IQM subject. So question is like write a short note on industrial safety. So 6 mark question. So here you need to explain 7-8 factors with a example, with flow chart if it is available, right? Then and then only you will get out of 5 or 6, like a 5 or 4. Out of 6, 5 or 4 marks. But those who write very nicely, means representation and all this. When we were checking the paper that time, experience was like that. Some people just writing what they think only, but it is not like that. Point wise explanation is expected. Writing point, and in that your opinion is also, if you write, then also acceptable, but proper explanation is required, at least for points. So like that, in first section, questions are like that. Question number 2, 3, 4, 5. Question number 1 is related to MCQs only, and these are the elaborative questions. Out of these 4 questions in first section, you have to write 3 only. So 6 mark, 7 mark, 8 mark. These are the weightage for particular question, right? And you have to write 3 out of these 4 questions. Here they have mentioned. So like per second section also, there are certain numericals like this. Given data is there, you people have to write this whatever explanation is required. You have to solve that particular case study. In this numerical, they have given the case study with given data. You people have to find out the solution, right? So like that, case studies are there. I think this was the 100 mark question paper pattern. Let me show another pattern. Already it is there, right? Then when 70 mark pattern is there, 30, 70. So 30 mark weightage was now it is there for IEC. So that's why it is not considered here. So 70 mark in 70, 30 pattern also MCQs are there, but only 14 MCQs, I guess. 11 MCQs. 14 mark MCQ, 11 MCQs are available, but this question 11th number is for 4 mark. So 14 MCQs are there, and remaining things are same. But here you have to write only 2 questions. So this pattern is for you. If it is there in next semester, so this kind of pattern may be there, just for your information. Then syllabus we completed, right? About the title of course. Okay, write down next point B4 about the title of course or subject. We discussed yesterday. I think many people were absent, right? You were absent yesterday, first 2 yesterday, right? So we discussed. We will write one sentence or at least a title of subject. In that, write down industrial management. One sentence related to industrial management about the title of subject or about the title of course. In that, definition of industrial management. Definition of industrial management, or just write industrial management. What is the industrial management? Yesterday we seen it is a branch of engineering. Write down. It is the branch of engineering that deals with creation and management of system. Creation and management of system that integrates people, material, and energy in productive way. So any doubt in this yesterday's discussion related to industrial management definition? Industrial management is the branch of engineering. Most of the people say it's a kind of a management branch. It is not like that. Industrial management is a industrial this engineering branch. Industrial management is the engineering branch which deals with creation and management of system. Most of the people will say how to create this system. When you will join any organization, suppose you are in the production department, so it's your role, like you have to set the system there. Which kind of system? Machine is required, manpower is required, helpers are required, laborers are required, maybe consumable material is required, sub assembly, many things are required. purchasing system is required. So you have to set all the things. So this is a kind of creation of system for particular production. And management of system. You prepare this system, you have to manage this system. You have to run this all system. And another thing is that you people have to integrate the people. Integrate means what? Integration of people, material, energy means what? You have to club together. People also you have to manage. You have to manage the material. You have to manage the energy, right? So you have to club. सगळे एकमेकांना कलेक्ट जॉईन असतील तरच हे आउटपुट काहीतरी मिळणार. फक्त मशीन असून प्रोडक्शन मिळणार आहे का नाही? ओनली माणसं असून प्रोडक्शन मिळणार आहे का नाही? Right? So you have to integrate each and everything. One thing should be connected to other. That kind of meaning is there. Integration and in productive way. तसं पण नाही 100 माणसं लागतात तुम्ही रिक्रूट केले 200 चालेल का नाही? त्याला प्रोडक्टिव्ह वे म्हणायचं का नाही? You required only 1 ton material. You wasted 2 tons. Is it in productive way? No. So this system you have to manage in a productive. Getting so this is industrial management. And as an engineer, you have to become a manager and you have to manage the industry. So it's your role, right? So creation of system, management of system, integrating the people in a productive way is your role. Getting so next definition, quality management. Another title, another part of the subject is a quality management. So write down definition. Quality management. Quality management is an act of supervising all activities required for
दुसरी कोणती संधी नसते ती अडकून असते असं का ना.
Who is talking?
Okay.
Rahul Chaudhary. Just a minute. I think you have written the definition. Quality management is the act of supervising all activities required to maintain a desired level of excellence. Now, question is very important. What is desired level of excellence? Means customer is demanding something, right? Customer is having that particular requirement. So that customer is desiring something. त्याची इच्छा आहे की मला असं product मिळावं. So you have to maintain that particular desired level of excellence. What customer is demanding. And for that purpose, your role is to supervise all these things. Machine of that particular quality, raw material of that particular quality. Customer एक quality expect करतोय. मग तुम्हाला त्या लेवलचं रॉ मटेरियल लागेल, त्या लेवलची मशिनरी लागेल, त्या लेवलची एक्सपर्ट क्वालिटी मॅनपॉवर लागेल, राईट? So you people have to supervise it and you have to manage anyhow so that customer will get the desired level of excellence. म्हणजे ती क्वालिटी, ते क्वालिटी मॅनेजमेंट झालं. Getting? So there are so many quality gurus. There different philosophies are there. We are going to discuss in 5th number chapter. But this is a generalized definition I have made for you people. At least I think you got the idea. What is the subject? What we are going to learn? Got the idea? What is industrial management? What is the quality management? Should we proceed? So next, about the central idea of this course. Actually, course word we are using. Reason I am for subject. Subject and course is same thing. Now, in central idea, yesterday I have told there are 2 sections. In first section, we are going to discuss industrial management, and in second section, quality management. So we'll write 2 sentences for this also. Write on B5. At least, do you know this is a triple P pattern, right? A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. So it's very interesting. I usually follow all these things. 1-2 sentences for you. B5. About the central idea of course. In that, write down. First section deals with, forget about this first sentence, second sentence only. First section deals with introduction to general management principles, and functions of management. This section also includes different departments in the organization. Second sentence you can write again below that. Second section focuses on concepts of modern approaches towards the quality. Which includes information of quality control tools, and highlights the statistical control techniques. For process control, in manufacturing industry. Yesterday we seen importance. Can somebody tell me why this subject is important? Can anybody recall why this subject is important for you? I am telling as an engineer. In future, you will be the manager, right? And learning the organizational culture in this stage itself is the beneficial for you, right? And another part is there to maintain the quality, let it be in your organization or your own organization. As far as the competition is concerned, maintaining quality is very, very essential, right? So today's engineers are tomorrow's manager. And you can check our alumni also, most of the alumni, if you check, they are manager. They are coming here, we are discussing with them, they become manager. So today's engineer will be the tomorrow's manager, and that's why it is important for you. So here also we'll write 2 sentences. Importance of this course. It is very much essential to understand. It is very much essential to understand various functions of manager, different styles of management, and industrial management concept by engineering students as they are future managers in the industry. Full stop. Second sentence. Quality is important aspect in the market as far as the competition is concerned. So it is important to learn. Quality management concepts by engineering students. B7 course objective / outcomes mostly. Course outcomes. Yesterday we discussed all the outcomes. Write down one sentence. At the end of this course, student will able to काय शिकणार हे कोर्स संपल्यानंतर अख्खा आपले 6 चॅप्टर शिकल्यानंतर तुम्हाला काय जमणार याचा आउटकम काय असणार आहे. सो दीज आर दी 6 सेंटेन्सेस. राइट डाउन फर्स्ट CO. Generally we call it as a CO. Course outcome is CO in short. So you can make the just write the sentence ME 324.1. So this is a CO number 1. Forget about this Bloom's level and all this part which is written at the right side. Only number and statement. ME 324.1. Explain the different aspects of management. तुम्ही काय करू शकाल, तुम्ही एक्सप्लेन करू शकाल मॅनेजमेंटचे वेगवेगळे पैलू मला सांगता येतील पहिला चॅप्टर शिकल्यानंतर. सो दॅट इज मीनिंग ऑफ फर्स्ट सेंटेन्स. एक्सप्लेन द डिफरंट aspects ऑफ मॅनेजमेंट फॉर द बेटरमेंट ऑफ द ऑर्गनायझेशन. कंपनीच्या कल्याणासाठी लागणारे, ऑर्गनायझेशनच्या कल्याणासाठी लागणारे पैलू तुम्हाला विस्तृत पद्धतीने मांडता येतील. Then second, ME 324.2 illustrate the concept of planning, organizing and staffing. Third CO, illustrate the concept of leading and controlling. Summarize the element of quality. Next, fourth number, summarize the elements of quality along with its specification. use different quality control tools. Use different quality control tools for improvement of quality. And last CO is you people will able to analyze the data and apply different charts for acceptance of product. In this, out of this 6 CO, if you see the last CO, you people will decide like whether this particular lot of product will be acceptable or rejected. You will able to analyze that thing. So it is a very important CO here. Some numerical part is there, so that we have to discuss. Okay, I think this at least we complete only B part. So it's almost 2:58. Online people can put roll number in chat box and